Khulumkha rangchakhani joto tiprasa rokno ani manai songno okra chakra rokno khachuk samari kiching songno jotono no khulumung yapharinai ang koinani muchungo phainai 27th November 2025 astabal ground kaisa kotorma lukuthum panda angnani thangui tongo o panda wngkha one northeast unite ni bagui o panda o phai manjak phainani bagui norok jotono no kobogjao o panda o phai manjak phainai Meghalaya ni chief minister tei Manipur ni Assam ni Dima Hasao Nagaland, Mizoram, Haike, Arunachal Pradesh, joto jagani no leaders rok phai manjak phainai kaisa northeast unite khlainani bagui abagui o panda o phai manjak phainani bagui norok jotono no ang khabai kobogjao tamni himale chini tiprasa rokni rights no mannani bagui chini next generation no bachirwnani bagui o panda belai no nangkukmani o movement o chwng join khlainani belai no nangkukmani abagui not as a politician but as a tiprasa chwng o panda o phaine manjak phainani nango as a buma as a bufa as a brother as a sister chwng o panda o phainai manjagui nei o panda no chwng jesu kotor khlaimano aswk no chini thinangni bagui kaham hwnui ang uansugo abagui norok jotono no o panda o phai manjak phainani bagui ang kobogjao Hambai jotono no
Khulumkha jotono no chini takte bukuksong ani mungai Sri Deborma ang tabo Hyderabad to nursing khai tongo Friday 13 December ro kaisa program songsajana thang tongo oro phai sokpaine chini borom gna bubagra inge chungbono khabai khokbai lamsogo jungbai phai manjana bagai inge chini tai father hastewo borok tong tongai rongbo ang lamsogo khabai khokbai hamba.
We welcome you all. My name is Lasangkimi Kaipeng. On behalf of nursing students in Hyderabad, I would like to say that we are really excited to meet our Honorable Bubagra, which program going to be held in Hyderabad on 13 December in Hyderabad. We are really happy and excited to meet our Bubagra. Thank you.
सब लोगों को मेरा नाम मेहन रियांग है और हैदराबाद पे मैं नर्सिंग कर रही हूँ। आने वाला 13 दिसंबर पे प्रोग्राम होने वाला है, वहाँ पे हम लोगों का रिस्पेक्टिव बुबाग्रा को इनवाइट करती हूँ और जितना भी लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट का बाहर पे रह रहा है सब लोगों को वहाँ पे आने के लिए इनवाइट करती हूँ।
We welcome you Bubagra in Hyderabad.